Names and formulas of hydrates. A hydrate is a compound that contains water as part of its ionic crystal structure. This is known as a theoretical definition. You could also say a hydrate is a compound that decomposes to an ionic solid and water vapor when heated, which would be an empirical definition. How are hydrates used? When you purchase a new article and open the box, you may find a tiny white pouch. This pouch contains a white crystalline powdered desiccant, a substance that absorbs water called silica gel with the chemical formula SiO2. The purpose of this pouch is to keep the contents of the box dry so mold and mildew will not grow. Such a substance is called a hydrate. Hydrate continued. When heat is applied to a hydrate, it will decompose to produce water vapor and an associated ionic compound. This water is called water of hydration, and the product is referred to as anhydrous. Let's take a closer look. Bluestone, a hydrated copper 2 sulfate molecule, is an example. Here's its characteristics. The chemical formula is CuSO4 combined with 5H2O. This chemical formula includes both the formula of the compound and the formula for water. The IUPAC name indicates the number of water molecules using a Greek prefix. So if we were to use the IUPAC naming scheme, we would call this copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate. Penta is the Greek word for 5. So if we were to further examine a model of copper 2 sulfate pentahydrate, we would see that we have a model of copper 2 sulfate ions surrounded by 4 water molecules. So in the center, we have the copper with a 2+ surrounded by 4 water molecules. The 5th water molecule is hydrogen bonded to the sulfate ion. Here is a table of the prefixes used when naming hydrated compounds. Have this available for this lesson. So if we had CuSO4, 5H2O, we know it's blue, but adding water again will hydrate the substance and turn it from white to blue.